it's Sarah, and I'm going to do a review on the GobiDex Sea Life Amber Dig Kit that I was gifted for my little one. And I'll go ahead and do an unboxing video first, and then I'll show you what it looks like with my little one playing with it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what's included in the box. So first we have the plaster, which is what they'll soften in order to find the Sea Life Ambers. And then we have the magnifying glass so they can get a closer look of exactly what they're finding. And then we have the net bag for them to keep it safe for later. And then we have the safety goggles, which I like how everything's nicely packaged. We have the digging tool set here. And there's 3 different tools that come with it. So you can get a closer look here. So you have the brush to brush it off. And then you have these ones to chisel away at the plaster. And then the last thing, which I also really appreciate, is that it comes with the learning cards so you can see exactly what you're finding. So I'll just show you one of them here, the strombus, and then it gives details of what exactly is the strombus, which is really nice. So I really love this digging tool set because one, it's interactive. They can use their hands to find exactly what's in here. It's a great learning STEAM type of toy. It lets them learn more about the marine life and show you now how to actually excavate. Here's how it looks like without the packaging. So you're gonna add a little bit of water and then use the excavation tools to scrape off the gypsum and dig the 6 ocean ambers. So you can see my little one here. He is using the tools and digging to see what's underneath and getting really excited when one pops out a little bit. I'm helping him as well, so it could be also fun for the kids by themselves or also with an adult. I enjoyed also using the tools and to try to break it off as well. And then you can see we were able to find the 6 different ambers. And it's really cool that it's a different type. Like you can see some of the different shells or the starfish, for example. And then you just use the brush to dust the remaining plaster off of it. And then once it's all dug out, my son used the magnifying glass to take a closer look of exactly what he found. And then we also have the learning cards. So I had him, show me exactly which shell lined up with which card, which was really exciting for him to pick out himself. And then also, review the back of the card and learn more about the crab, for example, or the starfish. So this is a really great kit. I like that it comes with everything. It was easy to, break the plaster, and my son had a lot of fun. So definitely recommend if you're looking for a fun activity to do with kids.